beginners. Okay, so the first we are going to talk about it's the first high paying affiliate program for beginners is the BlueHost. You can see it. You know, the BlueHost affiliate program is super cool. It's super popular as it's a web hosting service with their hosting plan, which is starting at $2.95 a month, and a one-time payout starting at $65. All you have to do is to sign up for their program. You get credits for referrals up to 45 days after the first click. Payment occurs between the 16th and the end of each month, and you need to at least make $100 for before your payment can be released. Then the second web affiliate we're going to talk about is the Hostinger. I'm sure you know about the Hostinger. Let me write you guys on the Hostinger. That is their website, hostinger.com. It's actually another popular web hosting platform that you can offer affiliate up to $150 per sale on a type pricing structure. The affiliate program offers a base payout of around I think $60 with the opportunity to make up to $150. You understand? Like many other web hosts, they provide banner and promotional tools to help new affiliates get started. That's Hostinger for you. You can see their web hosting sales is $2.99 per month. We also have the Elementor, which is the third high paying for beginners web affiliates. Okay, no, that's not Elementor. Elementor. Where's Elementor? Okay, yeah, we have it. One thing about Elementor is a dynamic drag and drop website building platform. Elementor helps web creators build stunning, comprehensive WordPress websites. Overall, the Elementor affiliate program offers 50% per sales and 5 pricing packages ranging from $49 to $99 per year. You understand? This is a very broad array of pricing tiers. Makes it easy for affiliates to strategically market various paid plans to specific audience. Yeah, with some affiliate earnings over $10,000 with Elementor, it's an option for web hosting and WordPress blogger. The third we're going to be talking about is the Cloudways. Cloudways. Cloudways.com. The Cloudways web hosting affiliate program offers a very high payouts. It is the fourth on our list. You can go and check it out. Very good. For one-time payout, you can either earn up to $125 per sales based on your performance. You get. So additionally, you can use the hybrid model to get $30 per sales plus a 7-month lifetime commission for the life of the customer. That makes it the fourth affiliate program we recommend you as a beginner to check out. Finally, which is the fifth, which is the HostGator. You can check out the HostGator, and probably I know you like to use the HostGator. By promoting HostGator, you can earn up to $100 per sign, and get flexible commission structure. You get, for example, I have like my HostGator landing page where readers can get 60% off HostGator plan. This is like the fifth, and it's very good. Stay tuned for my next content, as I'll be talking about